So now let's enter this simple data. This is quite simple here. Let's enter this data. In this, if you notice, sales is there and expense is there. At the end of January month, you did sales of 120, and how much did it cost you? 100, which means that the profit is, you can say, 20. If you want this highlight to go below, you need to press enter. And then here I have expenses, and then here I have profit. I'll press enter. Okay. Now here whatever data is there, 120. Now notice, as I told you, Excel will recognize when it is a number, right? I'm going to put tab. The highlight will move towards right. Can you see the number? It is moving towards right. Now look at this. Here I'm going to 160, 210, 250, 325, and then 440. Okay. For expenses, I'm going to have 100, 130, 160, 200, 260, and 360. Okay. Now above this, here you're having January, right? So now one interesting thing about Excel, whenever you give January here you must be thinking, right? Okay, I need to write January here. Here you need to write February. You are thinking like that. But as soon as you type January here, Excel will understand that, okay, here you have given the month name. And if I drag this here, can you see the interesting thing? Excel will automatically understand that, okay, you want to put all the month names here. I don't need to write February, March, April like this one by one. I just need to give this January one time. And then if I drag like this, you'll notice that all the month names are coming here. And if you want to make this bold, you can simply select this here. And here you can see there is this option bold here. Just click on bold. As soon as you've done this, this heading is coming in bold. Like this, when Excel recognizes that, okay, this is related to month, you can actually drag this thing here.